Welcome to Vendor Management with MaintainX. Working with vendors or contractors is a common and necessary part of maintenance management. But managing and tracking vendors' time, cost, and work can be a hassle. With MaintainX, you can streamline all your vendor management operations in one app. Easily access all your vendor details, like contact information, related parts and assets, and work order history all on a single screen. If your vendor is providing a service, you can share your work orders directly from MaintainX via email or shared link, making it easy for them to access the work and get started without needing an account. MaintainX delivers the most intuitive vendor experience with easy-to-follow tasks and procedures, ensuring they have all the details they need to get the job done correctly and safely. And you can track their progress in real time and communicate and share files for seamless collaboration right from your mobile or desktop. For suppliers, you can create purchase orders directly from MaintainX and keep track of important details like order status, parts ordered, and cost. MaintainX also helps you improve efficiency and decision-making using tailored reporting that shows time and costs recorded for each vendor, or how much of their work is completed on time. Helping you answer important questions, like which vendor is most cost-effective or the best one for the job. All this and more can be done from your mobile or desktop with MaintainX.